Good evening, everyone. Myself Sandhya from Computer Science A section RYMSc under the guidance of Dingraj K, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC RYMSc. I am going to present about the technical seminar of Step Towards Digital Voting System using Blockchain Technology. Here the context, the introduction. Here we are using the blockchain technology for the digital voting system. This blockchain technology is an open distributed ledger that can record transactions between two parties. And this blockchain is managed within a peer-to-peer network which forms a complete network of distributed mesh of computer nodes that speaks a protocol for inter-node communication. Next is validating the new blocks that is added to the chain of blocks. Next is the digital voting system. This digital voting system is a software platform that allows groups to securely conduct votes and elections. For any digital voting system, the most fundamental requirements are security, verifiability, openness, non-reduplication, and immutable data. This is also the assurances we get from a well-designed blockchain system. Next, objective and challenges. There are four objectives. Eligibility. Eligibility is to study the electronic voting protocols from the security perspective. First, the person should be above 18 years, and this is extracted from Aadhaar card database since it has become mandatory in present scenario. Next, security. To ensure more security, fingerprints and face recognition of the voter is used. This is the main authentication resource. Next, process of voting. After the verification is done successfully, an voter can vote to their respective candidate by selecting them. After voting is done, an voter vote will be converted to an encrypted form, and next decryption will be done only if the election commissioner identifiers are verified. Next, finalizing the results. People cast their vote, the result will be updated automatically, and on the same day of election, the results will also be published. Next, challenges. The main challenge is the voter should know how to handle this proposed system, and handling equipment is mandatory. Sometimes trust can be broken. Next, benefits. Here some of the benefits are listed. Cost. The traveling cost for voting will be reduced. This system is very useful to people who are physically challenged. Next, manual work. The manual work done by the peoples in poll booth will be reduced. Next, pollution. By avoiding traveling, pollution will be minimized. Next, people in foreign. NRIs. The people who are in foreign countries, NRIs, can also cast their vote from the respective places. By this, 100% vote and full fledged democracy can be achieved. Next, preliminaries of a blockchain based voting system. Blockchain. A blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. And a blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer system on the blockchain. Next, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. A Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that you can buy, sell, and exchange directly without an intermediate like bank. And next, a cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Next, current digital voting system in Estonian. This is the current digital voting system in Estonia. For example, in this country, All the citizens will be given with a national identity the voter can identify uniquely. The voting process in this work are as follows. The voter need to enter their card to card reader, and once the successful completion of card reader, data verification is done. And next the voter driven to the web page for the internet available system requirement. After login, need to enter their OTP and PIN number and verification will be done based on their entered data. Upon completion of the verification, there will be intimated whether the person is eligible for the voting process or not. In case if the verification favors the person, he or she can able to cast their vote. The same voting process can be even carried out through any smartphones. This is biggest advantage of the work. Through mobile phones, voter can log in and identify them for voting. Once the voter casts their oath, their passed forward for the vote storage server. The polled votes are stored in encrypted form until the entire voting process over. All these metadata are hidden and the poll voting information written to the DVD. Then server decrypts transaction information and starts counting. Finally, the result will be displayed. Next, maximize participation. Here some of the list are mentioned. Electronic voting maximizes participation, easy and efficient. It takes only a minute or two to vote. Next, convenient. Here people can vote online when it suits them. There's no ballot to mail or meeting to attend. Next, voting online saves money. Here some of the costs and automated are listed. No supply cost, that is no paper, no postage and no prints. Next, no equipment, 100% hosted and electronic. Next, automated, no time or resources need for manual and costs. Next, cost effective, it is then cost effective that can conduct multiple votes annually. Next, voting online saves time and eases vote management. Quick and easy. Automatic vote tallying. No matter counts of paper ballots. Next, accurate. No duplicate or invalidate ballot. Next, no waiting for result. Real time results. No waiting for ballots in the mail. Print the results. Next, electronic voting is private and secure. Secure. Here security should be maintained and no unsecure paper ballots. Next, authentication. Here authentication should be done with the each vote captured with the date and time stamp. Next, electronic voting in environment friendly. 100% green friendly. Next, here some of the snapshots of this digital voting system using blockchain technology. Here first the user has to register with their providing the full details of his or her like name, phone number, email, etc. Next, the authentication phase. Once the user has registered by providing the details of them, and then the user has to log in with the user ID and password. Next, casting vote phase. In this phase, after the successful login, the user will see the face like welcome to the voting phase. Next, here the final voting phase. The user has to choose the voter to vote of their vote. Next, conclusion. Democracy can only be achieved by voting to obtain that democracy. 100% of voting is needed. This can be achieved by our proposed system with an advanced security. The voters' deal will be maintained confidential and the voting result will be published in favor of public, not in favor of any officers. The system will be easily accessed to all the peoples. Apart from poll booth voting, online voting accuracy will be more effective and efficient. In this way, in this a blockchain digital voting protocol will addict function is introduced. That's, thank you.